most of my last day in Perth is going to be doing admin for travel. God, I hate existing like that. I've got my paperwork there, my clothing there. What I'm going to spend most of my day doing is going to a laundrette, a dry cleaners, and getting my dirty laundry completed, done, and ready for packing up. And then I can settle in for the rest of the day and do the video content that I want on this channel. Good to go. I've got it all in my big, massive backpack. You lose a bit more weight though. I need to record this when there's very little traffic passing by, but this backpack is so much more comfortable than the little normal like 12-litre one. It does help having a support just on the side. To be fair, I hope you don't go onto the road, buddy. What are you? Just keep walking past. That's such a nicer backdrop, isn't it? I'm on the way out of the city, heading over to South Perth because that is the nearest laundrette and not dry cleaners. Also, there's a load of birds over there. Let me just show you. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 on that one thing, and then there's loads mingling around as well. I feel like Perth is very underappreciated of just how comfortable and idyllic life can be there. I'm sat on the south bank on a beach next to a highway with a cityscape. Like, what is life right now? Sometimes you've just got to stop and reflect and admire what you're seeing, like a black swan on the Swan River. Found it. Found it. So yeah, I'm going to take this moment out of the video while I'm reading and doing my laundry just to reflect upon my time within Perth. Perth is one of the most isolated cities in the world. Actually, geographically, it is the most isolated city in the world, and I felt like my time there was reflective of that as well. I was there alone, solo traveling for the first time in my adult life, and I felt like it as a place and me in myself matched so well. I don't think that either me or the city are at our true full potential yet. We've got a lot of time to grow, develop, and enjoy the world for what it is. There's obviously dark spots within the city. There's crime. I never really saw any, but you could see the after effects with graffiti, with broken windows, that kind of thing. But never experienced it firsthand. So there is an underbelly of that there. There's always going to be that within big metropolitan areas. Now that I've been there for 2 weeks, essentially in a holiday mode, my ultimate question is, could I see myself long term settling into a place in Perth, enjoying the life that Western Australia has to offer? And in short, the answer is yes. That was $11 all in all, 8 for the wash, 2 for the first part and 1 for the second.